A Turkish woman is taking the world by storm with a shocking claim. And wait, it involves the US President Donald Trump. Yes, you heard that right. Ankara, Turkey. Meet Nekla Osman, 55-year-old, a woman who says that she has spent decades questioning her own identity and now wants answers right from the top here. You're watching Times XP. My name is Rityatri and here's what she claims. Donald Trump is her biological father. The lawsuit, filed at the Ankara 27th Family Court, Osman, she is demanding a DNA test to confirm whether Donald Trump is actually her father or not. Well, the initial court rejected her request, but Nekla is not backing down. She has taken her case to higher court, keeping the fight still alive. But you know why this is happening? Nekla says that she began questioning her birth records after noticing something really that is not matching up and hearing family whispers as well. Her story is this. Her mother was supposedly a US citizen named Sophia. She was given up for adoption soon after the birth. She was registered under the name of another woman who had lost a child. Nekla called it a practice from decades ago, common in informal adoption, but for her, it has been lifelong confusion. Going international then, Nekla isn't stopping in Turkey now. She has also filed a petition with the US Family Court through the Turkish embassy. In fact, her demand is pretty simple. Donald Trump must provide a DNA sample because DNA testing is a gold standard in courts worldwide for proving the parentage. So, here's a personal journey. Born in 1970, she says suspiciously started in 2017 during Trump's first-time presidential campaign. The woman who raised her allegedly claimed that Trump is your father. At first, Nekla admits that she didn't believe it, but over time she became determined to find the truth. Nekla's message is clear. She is not attacking Trump. She is not seeking public humiliation. She simply wants clarity about her biological father, to meet Trump face to face and, if confirmed, be acknowledged by his family. Physical resemblance, it strengthens her case. Nekla says that she notices similarities with Trump and some of his children. A detail that has driven her a whole determination to pursue legal action here. She also says that if proven true, I may consider spending time with Trump while still keeping my life in Turkey. But here's the legal battle ongoing in Turkey, possible future proceedings in the US. No ruling yet. DNA testing is still the key here. But you know why the story is so extraordinary? It combines international law, family courts and diplomatic channels. It's a rare case where a private family dispute it could actually involve a US president. Media coverage is growing, but the final outcome it remains uncertain. The big question now is this. Will Donald Trump really agree to provide a DNA sample? Will the courts in Turkey or the US force him to? And if proven, what would this mean for Nekla, Trump and the global media that's waiting? For now, the story is still unfolding. Nekla Osman is fighting for the truth about her life, and the world is watching every single twist.